All right, everybody. What's up? My name is Nathan Menke. I am the owner and artist of 301 Tattoo in Starke, Florida. And today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about minors and piercings and tattoos, because we get this question all the time and we get a ton of pissed off parents, and apparently there is no good video information, or people just don't know how to use Google anymore. So we're gonna give a live demonstration on how to use Google functionally to find out the legalities of piercing minors and tattooing minors in your state, right? So here in Florida, Florida's kind of fucking weird, but it is literally as easy as typing in Florida piercing minor, and as you can see, consent form and some other things pop right up on your screen. Go ahead and hit enter, and boom, the very first thing that pops up is the Body Piercing Florida Health Department program, which lets you know the legalities for getting your minor piercing child done. Yeah. So, if you go to the website and you come down here, you can see the actual regulations, you can see questions, you can see all kinds of cool information about what you need to get things done. A lot of this is what you need to become a piercer in Florida, and if you read up on that, it is not rocket science either. But here is the important section for getting your minor pierced. And this is the part where everybody has a problem, and people tend to get mad at me because, I try to keep things above board. So as you can see right here, it says piercing of a minor. A person may not perform a body piercing on a minor without the written, notarized consent from the minor's parent or legal guardian. An establishment may not perform a body piercing on a minor under the age of 16 unless the minor is accompanied by a parent or legal guardian as specified in Section 381.0075 FS. Non-compliance constitutes a misdemeanor of the second degree, see Section 775.082 or Section 775.083. Complaints concerning the piercing of a minor should be reported to local law enforcement agency and the local county health department in the county where the incident occurred. So, that is what you need. And then if you click this fancy button, this piece of paper right here pops up. And this is what you need for any piercing of any minor in the entire state of Florida anywhere. Now, there are lots of shops that do not adhere to this, and there are places in the mall that get away with doing piercings on your minor's ears without having this consent form. I don't think anything about the law has changed there in quite some time, but if you are going to get pierced at any studio in Florida, you should have to have this form right here. See it right here? This form? Yeah. So you can print that out. You can take it to your local courthouse. You can take it to an attorney. You can take it to a bail bondsman. You can take it to a lawyer. You can take it to your local bank. Anywhere that has a notary, you can take it to said notary, get it filled out, and then you can bring your kid in to get an ear piercing or a nose piercing or a belly button piercing or whatever it is. So, yeah, not rocket science. As you can see, a 2-second search can save everybody lots of fucking trouble, and nobody has to get mad at me for trying to do my job the legal way. So, if you have any questions, go ahead and drop them in a comment box below, or reach out to me through tattoo301.com, booking.301tattoo@gmail.com, or the shop's Facebook is facebook.com/301tattoo. And yeah. Paper, get it signed, take it in with you. You will be ahead of the game.